Hi student, this is for BCA second sem student and today topic is staff and driver. I want to say that this video will not be lengthy, this will be short because this theory doesn't need any logical explanation or mathematical explanation. So this video will need little bit explanation. So let's get started. Here you can see input A equal to 10, P equal to 20 and this module, input module still have not been developed, and this addition C equal to A plus B have been developed. So if we want to test this total sample case, we cannot test the modules because input module is in non-developed situation. So in this situation we used to two dummy codes like stub and driver, which is used in non-developed module. Here dummy code will work like input module, but question is that when stub and driver will be used. In this situation, why we are using driver here instead of stub? Reason behind this is top down and bottom up approach. Here you can see addition still have been developed, and so this is start from bottom, and after this addition it will go to the input module. So from bottom to up this approach will be happen, and here in this case driver will be used. And same like if input module it has been developed but addition module still has not been developed, so here top down approach will be happen because input module from start from top, then it will go to the down. Here step will be used. So if we want to conclusion this topic, so what will be the conclusion is that when two modules are connected to each other and one module is not developed, that time as a dummy code stub or driver is used. So thank you all.